Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about characteristic equation. If a is equals to 3 minus 5, 4 to find characteristic equation. We know that characteristic equation is given by determinant a minus lambda I is equals to 0. A is given matrix. Lambda is any constant. I is identity matrix. Okay. Now we'll solve. A minus lambda I is equals to 0. That means it implies A is given matrix 3 minus 5 4 2. Okay. Minus lambda. Identity matrix is of the same order 1 0 0 1 is equals to 0. This implies we'll write as it is this matrix 4 2 multiply lambda into 1 is lambda, lambda into 0 is 0, lambda into 0 is 0, lambda into 1 is lambda. Now simplify this matrix. Subtraction. 3 minus lambda is 3 minus lambda. Minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus lambda is 2 minus lambda. Now simplify. 3 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 5 minus 5 into 4 is equals to 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 into minus lambda is 3 lambda. Minus lambda into 2 is 2 lambda. Minus into minus plus lambda into lambda is lambda square. Here minus 4 plus minus 5 into plus 4 is minus 20. Minus 20 into minus is plus 20 is equals to 0. We'll write it in order. Lambda square. 3 minus lambda minus 2 lambda is minus 5 lambda. Plus 20 plus 6 is plus 26 is equals to, this is the characteristic equation. This is the characteristic equation. I hope you understood this problem. Please like and subscribe my channel.